The Clarke AWD1 automotive wheel dollies are supplied as a pair and are designed to locate underneath vehicle wheels, allowing precise movement around a showroom, garage, workshop or other confined space. Each dolly is fitted with 4 big 3-inch by 1.5-inch wide non-marking swivel casters for easy movement. Once a car or van is sitting on the dollies, a single person is able to move the vehicle with ease. The heavy-duty powder-coated steel frames have a 350mm wide recess, which suits a huge range of wheel diameters, and they're rated for 500 kilograms each. 2 dollies will be required to move just the front or back of the vehicle, and 4 dollies for complete mobility. Offering great freedom of movement, perfect for one person to easily put vehicles into tight spaces. The Clarke AWD1 are the vehicle positioning dollies that you've been looking for.